Ace your finals. Unlock the superpowers of Cornell Notes. Get ready to rock your finals with the amazing Cornell Notes method. Finals are knocking at the door and it's time to bring your A game. Today, we're going to explore the magic of Cornell Notes and how they can totally transform your study sessions. So, let's grab our pens and papers and jump right in. Cornell Notes are this super cool system that makes organizing and remembering stuff from lectures or study time a breeze. Here's the deal. Split your paper into 3 parts. On the right side, scribble down the big ideas or key points from your lecture or book. Think of these as your mini summaries. Now the left side is where the action is. This is where you'll take detailed notes. But hey, no need to write down every single word. Just focus on the really important stuff, like main points, key details, and examples. This way, you're actually understanding the material, not just copying it. But wait, the best part is the bottom section of your notes. This little space is for summing up all your key points. These summaries, they're your golden tickets to easy review and remembering what you've learned. So, how do you study like a pro with Cornell Notes? First off, go over your notes soon after class or reading. This helps lock that info in your brain. Next up, use the left side of your notes to hide the bottom summaries. Challenge yourself to remember the main points and details just from your cues. This trick is like a brain workout and helps you remember stuff way longer. And don't forget to keep checking out those summaries at the bottom. Turn them into flashcards, quiz yourself, or chat about them with friends in a study group. The more you go over the material, the better you'll know it. And there you have it, the inside scoop on acing your studies with Cornell Notes. This method isn't just about taking notes, it's about boosting your understanding and memory. Give it a go for your next study session. Thanks for tuning in, Studying Machines. If you loved these tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome study hacks. Good luck with your finals, you're totally going to crush it. See you soon!